Yes, Vibe Studio. I know you tried to help Knife Ninja and it backfired in your face. But it's just life. I do not want you to let anybody on the YouTube street intimidate you. Just come out and put out your content and just be yourself. Sometimes in life, when we are trying to help others, sometimes it backfired in our face because when I came out with my video today, guess what? I have gotten so much backlash. But guess what? I am keep on going. It's content. So when I saw Knife Ninja up in my feelings, yes man, Knife Ninja is so up in himself. Knife Ninja, you need to look within yourself and say, yes, it's content. He's trying to help you. I know. He came out. He have beaten you with the Koboko whip so much time over and over. Yes, guys, I know. Sometimes when we have that kindness, but sometimes we cannot have too much kindness. Kindness, especially when we know that we have stepped a Knife Ninja toes over and over. I know he's not gonna need that help. I know, Vibe Studio, but you have to pick yourself up, dust yourself off, and just come out, do your videos, go live, and make that money. Knife Ninja, I know you're up in your feelings, just like some of your viewers. They're up in your feelings because I came out and I speak my mind. Even one of them told me, said I must go and fix my crooked teeth. Yes, madam. I hope you're watching this video. Leave me and my crooked teeth. A matter of fact, they are mine. Yes, man, all of these teeth in my mouth is mine. Said God made me the way He made me. Yes, man. God created me in His own image. So plenty of you attacking me for what? At least when I come on and do my videos, I don't have to go and spend even 45 minutes on my face. This is all my natural face. This is me glowing at age 47. Yes. I don't have to go and put no makeup on my face, madam. So this video is especially for you. When you watch videos on the YouTube street, just please stay in your lanes. Do not come and be disrespecting me. Yes, I'm gonna start treat you guys just like how Daddy Gaga said, yes, I am not gonna touch COLAZ TV. Yes, I'm not going to touch COLAZ TV. I'm going to deal with the people in my comment section. And you're right, Daddy Gaga. Because when I saw that woman, and when I look on that woman's profile, she look like she's about in her 60s and 70s. So when you come on the YouTube streets, anyone, not because I came out as a reactor and I taught my mind. Yes, anytime I touch topic pertaining to Alicia Kim and Knife Ninja, you guys are always coming for me. Why? I am a reactor. I came out and I react. This is how we make our money on the YouTube street. So when you open your feelings, Mr. Knife Ninja, and you're coming out that you're going to strike content creators, reactors, because they use a part of your clip, you're going to strike. Why are you going down that road? You do not remember where you're coming from. You do not remember that it's COLAZ TV give you the spotlight on the YouTube street, Knife Ninja. Because if it wasn't for COLAZ TV, you would be still struggling, just like any normal content creator on the YouTube platform. But no, you come out. Why you want to strike our channels? It is our livelihood. It's what we use and pay our bills. But no, you're up in your feelings. You need to put that away. You need to put that away and keep on improving yourself. Cooking, number one. Stop competing with COLAZ too, number two. And just be yourself and show those receipts. Show your donors how you spend that money. Yes, just show them. And tell your haters to stop disrespecting reactors and content creators, because we're literally pushing you more in the algorithm, Knife Ninja, but you're not getting it. You are not getting it through your thick skull. Yes, man. You are so ungrateful. I know you don't want the money from Vibe Studio, but at least just let bygones be bygones and come out and do content. We're gonna still beat you no matter if you turn left, right, and center. We're still gonna beat you because you're ungrateful, Knife Ninja. Why would you want to come out and strike somebody's channel? Me, I would never do it. Any day I make my name on the YouTube streets, and I know the more people speak about me on the YouTube street, guess what? I can do anything. Anything I can do, and I get that views. It's the same thing reaching you. Anything you put out, we the reactors run with it and put your name out there over and over. Your channel name, your thumbnail, and you have the audacity. So you're gonna strike. You're gonna strike channels. Why? Why are you going down that road? So when you do it now, I hope you sleep comfortable, because they said a high for an high. So when you do evil, remember it's gonna come back to you, Knife Ninja. It's gonna come back to you. COLAZ TV have given you the platform. So why would you want to come and strike reactors because you're speaking about your madness on the YouTube street? You don't see how COLAZ TV is, the more we talk about COLAZ TV, is the more the algorithm love him. But you're not thinking, because you're so dumb. You're so dumb, you're not thinking. We are literally putting you out there, but you chose to reward us with evil. But Knife Ninja, remember, when you dig hole, dig two. Don't dig one. Dig one for your enemy and dig one for yourself. You need to look within yourself and say, yes, I agree. Vibe Studio came out. I said, yes, he wants to help you. But I know he regret it now, because he's been beaten on the YouTube streets. But don't give up, Vibe Studio. Just continue putting out your content and be yourself. Everybody make mistakes. No matter how old you are, you make mistakes. But guess what? You have to pick yourself up and brush yourself off and come again, Vibe Studio. But Vibe Studio, next time, just send money to COLAZ, the Greens family, because those people will spend your money. Well, Knife Ninja, you spend part and then put the rest where you want to put it. Because him not have no loyalty about him. Because if me see you, Knife Ninja, we COLAZ TV give you the spotlight, and you can double cross him. Double cross him, and you come out and you're bringing up his past and putting it on the internet. You don't have no loyalty. And then you start cursing the same subscribers that COLAZ TV have introduced you to. You start to burn them out. So when I saw that video with you, I know that you're no good. You're just like a flip-flop. So any one of you, Knife Ninja viewers, disrespect me in my comment section, I'm not going to come for Knife Ninja, you know. I'm going to come for you guys, talking about my crooked teeth. These teeth are mine. I don't have to go in no shop and purchase them. They are all mine in my mouth. So we must come out and do content. Don't get caught up. Don't get caught up. I say, yes, you can come on the YouTube streets. Viewers, show some respect. Viewers, show some respect. I know it's not my subscribers are disrespecting me. I know that. But please, show some respect. Show some gratitude. when you come on the YouTube street. Not only to come and disrespect reactors. That's how we make our money to pay our bills. So anyway, guys, please leave a comment on this video. You just have a wonderful night. Bye.